How to start an automatic transmission car. This is a Renault Espace from 2010, and as you can see here on the stick, it is automatic. So the first thing is to have the card inside the car. You can also insert it there if you want, or just place it there. Okay, the next one is to make sure the car is in P mode, that is park. If it's not, then just press the button on the front and push forward the stick until you get it out, let's say from D, and put it into park. Okay, now press the brake pedal. We have only two pedals. Press the brake and press the engine start button. Okay, and the car started. Now you can release any pedals. The car won't go anywhere. You can rev the engine if you want. Okay, and after you finish driving, make sure you remove it from D and put it back into park, and then simply press the start button. Now no pedal needs to be pressed, so simply press it and the car is off. Make sure the card is always removed. You don't have to keep it there because the dashboard will be on if the card is inserted. Now if I open the door, even that will turn off, and that's it. How to start and how to stop an automatic transmission car.